doing a presentation, running a workshop, public speaking, really important that you're clear of your core message, that one big message that stands out above everything else. Peter Dew, public speaking trainer and coach. My tip today is find your core message, stick to the core message, and amplify the core message. The biggest problem speakers find is too much information. We're knowledge rich, we're experts in our field, so we want to put everything in. And what happens is that dilutes your takeaway message. The more points you add, the less likely people are able to remember your core message. So my public speaking tip today is be absolutely clear of what's your core message. Clarity of purpose, clarity of message leads to clarity of people walking away from your workshop, from your presentation, with that one big idea, that one core message. Please be clear on your core message.